When I see you calling, girl, I pick up that phone. Tonight I should be balling, girl, but I'm at home. Tell me, is it a problem to wanna be where I belong?
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Dominique. I'm back with another video. I am here because I am about to prank Gene. He's in the dining room playing with his son, and I'm gonna prank him. And if you ain't know Gene, he hate boogers. He can't stand boogers. Anything snot, he sneezes on him, it's a problem. Anything you touch your nose around him, it's a problem. So I'm gonna set the camera up. Don't know how, but I'm gonna set the Alright friends, I'm sorry it's taking so long. He over there, he cleaning something. I'm trying to get this prank. I've been trying to do this prank for about 2 or 3 days, but every time I do it, every time I move, he's like, what you doing, where you going, little bum. But I got him taking stuff out the laundry, cleaning out the vents so he can stay away, so I can set the camera up. I've been trying to set the camera up, so now I got the camera all set up, because you see, DeVale taught me this, you know, smile, show. But trying to get him to hurry up now. I didn't know it was gonna take him this long to do that. So now I'm trying to hot you, you know, trying to do the hot you, cause everybody know that Gene hate boogers, hot you. He don't hear me cause the vacuum is on right now. So you know how you do a dance that's so nasty? You be like, your face got to be. You got to do the face. You know, that's me trying to. You got to hurry up. Trying to act normal, do laundry and stuff. They don't want to do laundry. They got 5 days to do laundry. Oh no!
Your subdivision under.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Is this an entrance?
My allergies messing up. Did you booger in my implant?
Is in there?
I'm sorry.
The name?
You think your little booger in my fucking ear?
Why is the blue putting a police protection team on me?
I'm sorry.
Time Richard down with all the information. I know he has anything else going to say?
What was that? Was that your booger to stop? Yeah, I'm sorry. You ain't no fucking sorry. You alright? I'm alright. You owe me one. You got boogers on my ear. You owe me one.
just want to let you know you fucked up. No, where's your hand?
What?
Why the fuck is sneezing so close to me?
I'm trying to apologize, and every time I get close to the fan, you got dust on you. I sneeze. I'm trying to apologize.
What the fuck is this? The fuck is that?
I got two squishies! Woohoo! Yeah! That's fun squishy. I like these squishies because they're super like Halloween.
What is what?
There's boogers on my hand.
That's for this one.
You fucking have boogers on my hand.
Okay, then. Whoppers?
Get them.
They actually have eaten Whoppers in such a long time. You see my actual bucket? Not my favorite, but I want this one. I think that one has a squishy in it. You are wrong. Oh no, what is it? I got a trick. You got a trick. Trick. Ah! You got used to toilet rolls. I am freaking
You gotta look over your shoulder.
Oh, I can't even see.
Now I gotta sneeze on my arm, okay?
Oh, it's cool like this. That is actually very cute.
You ain't gonna sneeze on me. That's the
I
problem.
don't like that. I don't
Not
like
on me.
that at all. Okay, my turn.
Because it was a freaking prank, and your reaction sucks.
That was a prank.
Yes. I didn't have no boogers. Because I know how you feel about boogers. But usually you be more angry about boogers. It's not. But this time you want to be all nice about having snot or boogers in your ear.
Cause it did accidentally. That's all it is. And now I know to kick your ass.
So if I kept sneezing on you, you would have got mad?
Yeah, cause it's throwing boogers on me. It will not be pretty.
Hey,
Stop! Don't do that.
as you can see, my prank was an epic fail. So, if you still like what you see, hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, D&J The Real World. So, I'll be back because I'm going to come out with a banger. Watch out. And like I said, do you, boo-boo. Do you.